this vlog is dedicated to our 2-year anniversary.
Girl, we've been married 10 years.
10 years. I feel like it. So it's so crazy. I don't know. Our anniversary, I hope we don't keep doing this because we ain't finna keep going to Jacksonville every anniversary. We went to Jacksonville last year. But it's just something quick to do. And reason being why for sure this time that's all that we can do is because you guys know Drew is soon to come. Like, we have a week. A week.
A week.
So we can't go too far anyway. So yeah, I've just decided to do like a day, not a day. We're gonna stay the night in Jacksonville tonight, and the only thing that I wanted was seafood, and I wanted some good seafood that I knew I was going to enjoy. So we are going to Jacksonville tonight to go to Juicy Crab, and then in the morning we're staying at the Embassy Suites. So if you know, you know, the breakfast is slamming, so we're just gonna eat there. And then I'm gonna try to go to IKEA tomorrow. We're gonna see how this goes, okay? Because like I told y'all, I got a week, so that means I'm good in there. But I'm gonna try to walk.
I do not think you're gonna be able to walk around no IKEA.
I think I'm gonna be fine. I'm gonna just have me a good drink while I walk. Anyways, we just dropped baby girl off. And we'll be getting her back when we get back. So now we are getting on the highway to leave. We were supposed to leave 2 hours ago. But I had to get my car washed. Okay, so time. We had to get it washed today. So yes, stay tuned because we're just gonna enjoy each other for these next 2 days. It's a little honeymoon / baby moon type deal that I really wanted, but I didn't get. Anyways. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned. We made it, guys. And I forgot to give the disclaimer about my hair. I'm getting my hair done this weekend, and I just needed it washed. I have intentions of straightening it, but I'm not sure yet. But I bought my stuff just in case. Okay, this is really nice. It is much nicer than how I remember it being. I did read about a manager's thing, and I totally forgot about that. Some kind of manager's reception. So like they have like snacks right now, and they gave us 2 complimentary drinks. Isn't that nice? Yeah, I know Devin gonna drink it for me. But yeah. Did I really book this show? I don't think so. It's an executor thing. That's an executor room. I did not book this. Oh well.
That bed a king?
Yeah.
Y'all, my feet is swollen, ashy. Toenails need to be cut.
You hear? Y'all, he about to start a fire.
I'm gonna go, I'm just putting some on so it won't, ooh. I gotta put some on the lid because they just look a mess to have that.
Oh, okay. Anyway, so,
by the way, sorry.
Uh-oh.
Smooth, y'all, fellas, go, what they say in that little divas group, run.
Run.
This stuff smells, is this window open?
No.
That window is open long.
It is?
This stuff smells so good, y'all. Smooth amber. I done fell in love with this scent from Bath and Body Works. I mean, Butler and Butler Works. So my wife made me drive down here. Y'all know, if y'all follow us, that I don't do what? Drive. But my baby pregnant, so I did it, you know what I'm saying? But she finna drive around here because my nerves, y'all. I had a wreck a few years ago, and I really have driver's PTSD. That really is a thing. So, yeah.
Tell them about the drinks that they just gifted us with.
Well, when we got here, we were told that we were gifted 2 free drinks apiece just for saying.
No, I thought it was 2 drinks, one apiece.
No, I heard her say 2 drinks.
Oh, I didn't know it was 2 drinks apiece.
So 2 drinks apiece just for staying at the Embassy Suites. Of course, my wife can't partake, so Poppy is gonna take care of.
You know what? I can tell her to make me a mocktail.
You won't get no damn mocktail today.
Why? They can make me a virgin drink.
Okay, Mom.
Yay. Cause you definitely was gonna drink in my face. Sorry, y'all. You spray anything else?
I'm trying to freshen up, y'all.
Okay, y'all.
Not open. It sounds like it is.
We finna go catch this manager's reception while it's still going on. Let Devin partake in these drinks, and then we're gonna go get his feet done. Since he act like he can't go with me or Arbor when we go, so yo, he have to go by himself. What did you just say?
I told Lord, thank you.
Thank you for what?
For a fine ass wife. Thank you. Thank you.
Y'all, so we walked in here, right? Okay. We walked in here, and Devin thought the lady was looking at his drink. Talking about, oh no, she was looking at my toes.
She was saying, like, down. Like, God damn. She looking again. She looking like, damn, I want to do this. She gave a little at him again.
I'm weak, y'all.
They ain't that bad, dog. She's still looking at my damn toe. Damn, didn't he look too?
Yo, I'm finna go. We actually made it though, cause I wasn't even thinking that nail salons closed at like 7. I wasn't even thinking that nail salons closed at like 7:30. And here we go trying to go get his feet done. But we found one place. So, yay. How you feel?
My feet feel wonderful, thanks, babe.
Yeah.
One day, God. Just like y'all. Oh my God. White on black. Black on white. Whatever you want to.
That's the style I want, because I want it to look like how my car is now. I like the white and the black.
One day, one day.
Y'all, I've been trying to get to one of these stores for the past few months, especially since I've been on. Oh, I can't walk that fast.
I know.
Since I've been doing Drew's room, but yeah. Show the people what you done did. Show them.
Look at the blessings of God. We almost at 200. They still looking at the post.
Now show them your live.
Tune in.
Y'all know my husband ain't got no sense. Scoot on by.
Come on in. Take a seat. Sorry, I have no no reserved tables or booths. Well, come on in. Come on in. You know how people be like, can you come? Oh, thank you. Ooh, it's nice, y'all. Lord. Everything. Appreciate you, cuz. 18 people. I'm waiting on about 25 or 30 people.
That's enough.
That's enough?
That's enough.
I want more people.
Scared while I'm driving away.
I ain't finna be scared. You see, y'all? I gotta hurry up because Lorna about to wreck this thing already. Lord have mercy.
I missed it.
You missed it. She missed it. Okay. Anyway, I just want to say Happy Easter Day. And we tell God thank you for the many blessings that He has done and He has stored upon us. And we also tell God thank you for April Fools. Nah, I love y'all. We appreciate y'all. And we say one day, God, to that nice you come. Bye-bye.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Ooh, get like me.
What?
Hey, talking about you one nasty.
Excited?
Later on, we gonna have to go find something.
I know, all that steam.
Go find something else.
Now the key is to get the wing and then put it in your sauce.
I was gonna say, I know that. She told me, y'all, sorry, I didn't realize y'all was over there.
After 2 years of ink included with HP Smart Tank,
So you
so
guys,
you can print more for less.
it's like
Humans have
it's like 12:30, and as you can see, yeah, Devin is out. Tell the truth. You are asleep.
I'll get up.
Anyways, I really wanted to straighten my hair tonight, but I don't know. I'm not doing it. And I don't know if I'm gonna wake up in time to do it in the morning. But we'll see. If not, you think I still look cute, babe? Mm-hmm. But alright, you guys, we will catch y'all in the morning. Hey guys, it's Alana. It's Sunday, April 2nd. We just checked out and just finished breakfast. It was really good.
You did not check out.
Oh, we haven't checked out yet. I'm sure we have. I mean, we ain't in there. So now it is 11:11. Make a wish. I want to go to Trader Joe's because we don't have one, of course. And I hear they got some good ready-made meals. Is that how you say it? I think. So I want to see what they got in there. And then, of course, I want to go to IKEA. But I'm going to see if I can walk. Because I don't know. But yeah. So, other than that, that's about it for today. Y'all know I have a week left. So I can't really do too much. So it's just really eating and that's about it. Yeah. Why are you looking like that?
Nah, I want my wife to get up and let's get out of this
tell
place.
them about what's your outfit too.
Oh. Yes, I had this on last night.
Oh wait.
I brought another outfit, but I did not want to put it on because it's hot, and this outfit is very comfortable. And I ain't going nowhere but from the hotel to the restaurant, from the restaurant back to the hotel.
Yep.
Some people may still say, oh, I would say something, but
Don't worry about it. Step back, let us see how you looking, babe.
it's cool, you know?
Got his toesies out.
Cool when they do it. Problem when I do it.
Okay. Tell me something good.
Alright, you guys, and here we go. Going into IKEA. That's my granddaddy, y'all.
Bruh. I told Devin we're going in here, but we only got $20.
That means we ain't buying nothing.
This is the kitchen. Baby. Whew. That's a lot of stuff on the table, though. I'm looking at that. That's cute. I mean, it's nice. And I think we're gonna get that white table for Aubrey. Yeah. This is really nice. Guys, Devin says he likes this. It is nice. That black and wood together. And a few pieces of green. Yeah. This is pretty too. But that's okay. So yeah, remember I said we was coming in here with $20? We literally was just picking up stuff, and it ended up being $20.
There you go. Y'all have a good one.
Thank you. See, let me see the back. This is all we got, guys. But no, I was supposed to get something. I was supposed to get something for Aubrey, but when we went over there, they didn't have the color that I wanted, so didn't end up getting that. But y'all, I made it. Barely. My back hurt, my feet hurting. I'm sweating a little bit, but I made it. All right. We made it to Trader Joe's. Now, let's see what they have. If you know, you know. This is for Aubrey. All of that. I just seen this girl on TikTok or one of the things she was eating at. So this is a few things we got. Some of this stuff is for Aubrey, of course. I didn't know you like blueberry waffles. And we got a lot of the Chinese stuff to try. Yeah. Okay, guys, so we went to the first one that we normally go to, and the line was like extremely long. This one, yeah, somebody just said it's long too, but we're finna see. Yeah. You guys, we just left the Soul Food Bistro. We just had to go to the one that we normally don't go to, but it was still the same. Yeah, the food was good. I just got this big old baby in my stomach, and I think like she's like squishing my stomach to where I only eat this much. So I didn't eat all my food like at all. But I'm taking it home.
I mean, technically, I didn't eat all my food either.
You just passed the Circle K, man.
No, we don't need to stop to no Circle K. You got ice in this tea, ice in that lemonade, have at it.
Anyways, yes. So we're on our way home. I'm trying to let Devin concentrate while he's driving, so we'll be back. All right.
Come on in, come on in, come on in, come on in.
Not again.
Hello, you guys. As you can see, we are home. I am so sleepy. I have a discussion post I gotta do. This professor for this class one thing I cannot stand, y'all, is for a professor to want or require you to cite and do all this for a discussion post. By all means, I get it. I get cited. However, for a discussion post, that's me discussing how I feel about what you're asking me.
Tell them what part of the lobe of your brain you got it from, babe.
What?
That's how you can cite it.
From the Lord.
From lobe.
Oh.
How are you going to cite something that you thought of?
I mean, that's why I said the Lord. He gave me the thought.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going to put Lord BC.
Before Christ.
Oh well. Anyway, y'all, I'm tired. That's what I was starting out with, and I got distracted with the discussion post that I got to do.
How did you?
We enjoyed our quick. Well, I enjoyed the quick getaway for our anniversary. We weren't able to do much because Alana is so big, you know.
Whoa.
But no, baby Drew is coming soon, so you know we did a little quick getaway. Did you enjoy yourself?
I did. Yes, I did.
Myself. So you know, you guys just stay tuned. I know it's been a while since we did a video, but stay tuned for more to come. There's definitely gonna be more to come. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you turn on your bell notifications. And please like, share, and subscribe because you don't want to miss what we have going on.
Yes. He said that so fast.
Girl, if you don't...
I might got something to say. You ain't say, but you got something to say? Thank y'all so much for watching. This is one of the mini vlogs that we are hoping to do this year. So, please bear with us. As y'all know, we about to have a little baby. So if we don't get around to it, just know life is lifing, okay? But we are hoping to do more vlogs. We definitely will have a cruise vlog coming this year. So yay. Yay. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah. Peace, love, and soul.